Hello friends, this is Sherry. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're having a good Saturday. Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here with a little bundle for you today that I'm putting into my Etsy shop, and by the time you see this video it will be there. But I have done this many times. I just haven't done it in a few weeks where I've showed you a new little bundle of goodies that I have put into my shop for your junk journals. So yeah, I just have one available. I'm still working on the bundles, but when I can. So let me show you what I have in this one. I have a lot of fabric and then a few little other goodies here. So I was putting this little 6-inch rulers. Let me get the price tag off of here. But yeah, I was putting these little 6-inch rulers, and I still have a few left in the bundles. So I put one in here, a cute little yellow one. It's just an advertising ruler, but I just think these are so cute and fun. So whenever I see them, I pick them up. This is a piece of a doily, so great for a little, if you need little bits for your journal cover to tuck in here and there, a little bits for your slow stitching, whatever you might need that for. It's a piece of a doily. This is a piece of an apron that I had took apart, and it had these little squares on it, and they look like Pennsylvania Dutch design to me. This one looks like a little yellow. It looks like it seems like it's probably a little fox, although it seems like it has long legs for a fox. So it could be, it could even be a little goat or something. But whatever you think it is, there it is, a little yellow animal there, cute little yellow animal. So, and I do have a little vintage Simplicity sewing pattern here. A really cute one. It is tattered and things like that. I picked this one up at an estate sale. It's got some good age on it. It's together down here pretty much, but the flap here is tattered. But you could let's see the sides. It's a part here. It's got some tissue and the pattern instructions in there. I don't see a date right off. It was 50 cents originally in the US, 60 cents in Canada. But yeah, just a nice old pattern, and that you could probably manage to cut this whole front off if you wanted to use it as a whole, or cut out the little girls here. Aren't they cute? Don't you love that little dress? So cute. Okay, so that's in there. And then the fabrics. So like I always say, I try to give you a good amount of fabric so that you have enough probably to cover the inside and outside of a journal. So here's a piece of this floral. This was a sheet or a pillowcase, probably a sheet, but a good sized piece of that. It's kind of almost a lavender in the background here, and then it's got these pretty like bouquets of flowers that you could see there with the pink and the brighter color of fuchsia, or you could say it was almost say it was kind of a burgundy, but it's more on the purple side. So good size piece of that, and that's really pretty. And then another floral pattern here. This has little looks like tulips to me, and other little flowers. And this one I think was from a pillowcase too, or if it was a sheet, I don't know. But it's got the hem right here, and then it's got a good size piece of this also. Very pretty. Got the white background with the pretty flowers, kind of almost a flower power design there. And then another floral pink. This is very silky on this one. Not sure what this was from. I cut so many pieces of fabric apart, I don't remember what they're from now. Here's some strings. Let me get those. But yeah, just pretty little pink flowers. As you can see, they look like little buds, like rose buds or something. Some kind of flower buds. So a good amount of that. And this is more of a cotton. That was a silky piece there. And this is cottony. So kind of an all over floral pattern on this one. And it's a mauvey, more of a mauve color with the white flowers. And this is doubled over. So it's a double this size right here. A good size piece. And then another kind of pretty pink here. Love this one. Love this all over. I love the all over pattern. Great for just a base, or if you wanted to cover this up, it would be a great base with a centerpiece, or not. You don't have to cover it up, of course. It's just so pretty for whatever you might want to make out of that. And this is eyelet fabric here. This was from I think this was from a shirt or a smock or something. So it just, I had seen it, and it was just such a pretty pink, and it's eyelet also. So just a good piece of fabric, I thought. And I gave you a whole side of the shirt, I guess it was here, or smock, whatever it was. But that's great to cut up and use as you wish. And it's pretty cottony. I would say it's cotton, or mostly cotton. And you've got a lot there to work with. So just really pretty eyelet. I love that one. And then here's this one here with the topiaries, the pink and white stripe with the green topiaries. This is doubled over, or quadrupled over. That's half. And then, you know, folded in half. So you've got a good amount. And then this one here, a lot of green and orange and yellow there. And that also is doubled over. So this is I describe it as Christmassy, but it could just be like cookbook related or recipe related too. It's not really, doesn't really have anything Christmassy on here. It's just, it reminds me of Christmas, I guess. And it's got the gingerbread man, the cookie jar, grandma's gingerbread recipe there. So, and again, that's you know, the big piece. So that is doubled over there too. And then this is a quilt square. So you can see all the quilted pieces there. It's a small quilt square. And then this is the embroidery pieces that I've been putting in these bundles. This one has a flower design on it. And then this is another kind of Pennsylvania Dutch looking piece of fabric here with squares. That would be great to cut out for whatever, pockets or tags or whatever. Have the little Pennsylvania Dutch kind of quotes on there: "To our friend's house, the way is never long." Stuff like that. A penny saved is a penny earned right here with the piggy bank. So really cute and colorful. And again, a nice big piece for you. Yeah, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed. I do have some other fabric bundles in my shop. I think I have one left from the last couple of bundles that I put on. And then I have a vintage sheet bundle. If you like vintage sheets, or you want to try some out if you've never used any, I've got one of those. And then a couple others in there. Just search in my search bar if you go inside someone's shop, on their main page above the sections, there's a search bar, and you can just put any word in there you want and search through the whole shop without having to look through every single thing in the shop if you wanted to. So you're welcome to look through my shop though anytime. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this bundle, and I'll see you in my next video. Everyone have a great weekend. Happy crafting.